Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to start Osu Mania. First, ensure you have Osu installed and updated. Navigate to the Mania game mode from the main menu. You'll need to select a key mode, commonly 4-key or 7-key, which determines the number of columns you play with. Then, download some beat maps from the official Osu website to get started with songs. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth entry into the game. Once you have your beat maps, it's time to dive into gameplay. A critical setting to adjust is your scroll speed. Find one that allows you to comfortably read notes without feeling overwhelmed. Start with beat maps rated 1 or 2 stars to build fundamental rhythm and coordination. Don't hesitate to experiment with different skins and hit sounds in the options menu to enhance your visual and auditory feedback during play. To truly improve in Osu Mania, consistency is key. Prioritize hitting notes accurately rather than trying to play very fast songs right away. As your accuracy and reading skills develop, slowly increase the star rating of the beat maps you play. The game's practice mode is an excellent tool for repeatedly playing difficult sections of a song until you can execute them perfectly. Remember, patience and persistence are your best allies. Engaging with the Osu community can significantly boost your progress. The official forums are a great place to ask questions, find new beat maps, and connect with other players. Watching high-level players on platforms like Twitch can provide valuable insights into advanced strategies and finger techniques. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check out the link in the description for some fantastic deals on leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful items. Keep practicing and have fun.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.